fortress of my quiet pride.
He said, I know that kind of fear. Spend my years just hiding here, but somehow your voice got near.
And it scared me, it dared me to step out of my shadow. Love like this, it don't come twice. It breaks your heart and heals it right. A gentle storm, a steady flame. Love like this, it knows your name. She said, I never thought I'd fall, but your touch broke through it all.